for me. It's a beautiful sunny day, and today we are going to do a standing ab workout. Let's face it, a lot of us don't like getting down on the floor, working out our abs, and I know as a mum, after having a couple of kids, it is the part I really want to target the most. So today I'm going to show you my favourite exercises I do while standing up, still working that ab, but also working that lower and upper body. All right, first we're just going to warm up a bit. We just want to get everything nice and warm. Okay, open and close those arms for me. It's always important that we do a bit of a warm up and a bit of a cool down after your exercise so that we don't end up sore. All right, now just go into some gentle kicks out the front for me. Just kick, nice and gentle. So what we're going to do the first round through is we'll have a bit of a break between each round for you, where I will show you what the next exercise is, and then the second round we'll do it all a little bit faster, okay? So just gently bring those knees up for me a little bit. It's very important through this whole workout that we're engaging those core muscles. So you want to try and think that you're putting your belly button as far backwards as you can. Okay, back to walk for me. So that we're really engaging all those core muscles and you've got them switched on. Okay, so first exercise, nice and simple. Put those knees up, but I want you to do is bring your opposite hand over to your opposite knee. And as you can already feel now, you're getting a twist motion happening in those core muscles. Whereas if I just did this, well, I'm working a little bit, but by adding the hands in, we've now got more engagement in those core muscles, and that's what we want. Okay. Also great because you'll be able to feel the hip and thigh area in your glutes by the end of this. All right, if you want to have a break for a second, I'm going to show you the next one. So knees up still. Instead of doing our hands, we're going to bring our hands around onto our hip and our lower back. So all you're doing is you're increasing that rotation that we've got happening in the middle area. We just want to work all of these muscles as much as we can. All right, keep going for me. Okay, so now that you've got that twist motion happening and going, have a break for a second, shake the legs out if you need, do a gentle thing. You'll feel it so much in the sides of your glutes, it's amazing. Next one, knees back up. Yep, I'm going to make you work it, and we're going to do a crunch down the front. Okay, so by doing a crunch down the front, get those arms in, make sure that belly button is going towards the spine. I'll show you from side on. So, see how it looks like I'm doing a crunch, but I'm standing while I'm doing it. Keep going. Give me a few more. Walk for a second, give your body a rest. We're going to give that front a rest for a second. We're going to work back on these sides. Who doesn't want a slim waist? I do. Okay, so to work down the sides, more than what we've done before because that works more here in your obliques. We want to get right down this side now. We're going to put this foot up. We're going to bring the arm down. So we're going to get like a crunch happening on the side here. So see that? How we've just got that moving. All right? Get going for me. Let's do a few of these. Can you give me another 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, squat feet. So remember that foot's coming up, the arm's coming down. We're creating that kind of crunch motion happening on the side. Let's go. My favourite thing about these is, I know being a mum, you hop down on the floor to try and do a floor workout. And you've got kids jumping all over you because they think you're down there to play. Whereas this, they can crawl around your feet, but they're not on top of you, stopping your exercise from happening. Well, I hope they're not. Keep going for me. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, give your body a break. Go into a walk for a second. Grab some water at any stage. If you feel like you need some water, grab some water. It's been hot standing in the sun here, but that's okay. All right, our last 2, and then we're going to repeat and do everything that little bit quicker. So, depending on your range of motion and flexibility, I don't have that flexibility. Bring those legs up for me, okay? And what we're going to do now is we're going to bring that hand over to opposite hand to opposite foot, if I can get my words out. All right, so like this. So we're creating that same motion we did before with the knees, but just altering a little bit. Get going. Let's go. Another 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to bring those arms over the top. So instead of going alter, we're going down the top. Make sure that belly button's going towards your spine. We've got that crunch motion happening. We're just doing it a little bit different than we did before to tweak the muscles that we're working. All right, let's go. Legs coming up, arms coming down. My belly button's going towards my spine, and I've got a crunch motion happening. And I'm probably moving where you can't see me in full range, sorry. Okay, another 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, walk. Give yourself a breather for a second. Then we're going to bring that all back and put it all together for a little bit more of an intense cardio ab workout, if that makes any sense. Makes sense in my mind. So let's go with that. All right, back from the beginning. So remember, those knees are coming up. We're going to do opposite hand to opposite knee, then around to the hip, then straight down the front. That's going to be our first 3. Okay, we'll do a few of each. Knees up. Opposite hand, outside of opposite knee. Go. Making sure this whole time your belly button is going towards your spine. Let's go. If you can't do it at this pace, by all means, do it a bit slower. I just try and do it where I'm comfortable at to let it get a little bit of cardio in at the same time. Okay, give me another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Round to the hip. Making sure that you're still keeping those core muscles engaged. Go. Smash it out. There's a bug on me. This is it. For your video, things happen. You just keep going. Keep that workout going. Okay, give me another 10. Then we're going down the front. Okay, down the front. Get that crunch motion happening. Like I said, if you need to slow it down, slow it down. Keep going. Push for me. You'll feel so much better for it at the end. Another 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, turning that foot out, legs coming up, arms coming down, okay? 20s, let's do 30. We'll smash out 30 each side. Ready? As fast or as comfortable as you are doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Anyone else feeling it here? I am. We're coming up. I'm coming down. See this? Doing it at this pace. You can hear my breathing. My body's working hard. That's what we want. 30. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, walk. Breathe that air out. Bring it back in. 2 to go. Remember, we're now doing legs coming up, arm coming over, and then we'll switch, arm coming down the front. All right? This is our last 2, then you're done. Ready? Let's go. Smash it out. You're nearly there. You're nearly done. Make sure you're still keeping that belly button towards the spine, keeping that core engaged. I apologize for my puppy doggy. Let's go. Another 10. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the front. You're nearly done. Keep that belly button towards the spine. Keep that core engaged. Keep that crunch motion happening. Promise it's worth it. Another 10. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. Good job. So now the important thing, just side step for me, is you bring that heart rate back down and you get back to a normal breathing level. So it all depends on how fast you're smashing them out. Just do some heels for me. But by intensifying that second round, I've now got a heap of cardio in as well, which is going to help my body burn those calories. There you have it. That's an ab workout you can do standing up. Kids aren't jumping all over you, I hope. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.